name is Ethan Conrad, and this is my demonstration speech on how to shoot a compound bow. Have any of y'all ever wanted to shoot a compound bow or know how to shoot one? Alright, I'm going to show you the steps of how to properly shoot one and how to determine which bow is right for you with the draw weight and length and the type of arrows you need to shoot for just practice. The first thing you're going to do when you pick up a bow is see if it's the correct draw length. And mine's like 29 inches, and the bow will say right here on the lower limb the draw length and the draw weight. And my bow is 70 pounds, 60 pounds. The next step is gather your materials for shooting. You need a target that's designed for field points or broadheads. You need a bow. You need a mechanical release or fingers if you want to shoot without a release. And you need an arrow with a field point for target shooting. Alright, after you've gathered your materials, you want to know how to correctly put the arrow on the wrist, which is right here. This is called the knocking point, right here. And this is a string loop where your release hooks to. You want to put the knock on the string with the odd facing vane facing away from the bow, and the arrow has got to be seated all the way down in the bottom of the wrist. Now, to correctly draw the bow, you have to pull straight with both arms at the same time, like that. And then to sight the bow, this is called your peep sight, and you have to line it up with one of these sight pins. It's the correct distance for the yardage you're shooting. And right here we're shooting about 20 yards, so I'm going to use my top pin. And once you have those correctly in line, you can release the arrow. So I'm going to draw the bow, gather my sight picture, and this kisser button that's in the corner of my lip right here, you have to make sure you get it at the same location every time you draw a bow to make sure that you're doing everything consistent and nothing ever changes between shots. Alright, now I'm going to gain my sight picture prepared to release the arrow. My thumb right here is going to operate the trigger on this mechanical release, which is called a T-handle release. And when I press that trigger, there goes the arrow. And that's how you properly shoot a compound bow. Thank y'all for watching my demonstration speech on how to shoot a compound bow.